And 632 is my stateroom. Walking in for the first time. The Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with a balcony. Here's the bathroom with the toilet, which is separate. Mickey on the towel. And then you have a separate area with the bathroom with a full tub, which is really nice to have the kids, as well as body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Full length mirror. Lots of closet storage space. Safe. More closet storage space. Sorry, kind of hard to see, not much light. Lots of room in here for a cruise. Oh, I got a little present. Cool, got a little bag, that's awesome. My Castaway K silverback. And here is a pull-out sofa, as well as a bed that comes down from up top.
And gather your whole party together as a group before proceeding to your assigned station.
I believe this is something too. I think it's like a table or something that comes out. You get wave phones. Those are the phones that you could use on board. And then of course the awesome balcony that I can't open. There we go. So it's hard for me to open. It'll be hard for little kids to open too. For those that have little kids that always freak out about the balconies. I was that way also. Plenty of space out here. Can't climb it. There's glass there. I don't know if you can see. And that's not good. So this is the Veranda Family Oceanview Stateroom.